Philippine National Police Chief General Archie Gamboa has reorganized the PNP. Brigadier General Jesus Cambay Jr. is the new director of the Philippine Regional Office 9. Cambay replaces Brigadier General Froilan Cadilla, who was reassigned to the office of the Chief PNP. Replacing Cambay as director of the PNP Intelligence Group is Brigadier General Joseph Gohel. Taking over Gohel's former post as Deputy Director of the PNP Directorate for Research and Development is Brigadier General Remus Zacarias Canieso. Gamboa explained the reorganization manifests the continuing reform in the 205,000-strong police force. The other officers assigned to new posts are
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.